Okay guys, this is the video to show you what a cleanup is. This is actually just an example of the project, but generally the idea is the same across all projects. So just to show you what a cleanup is and when do we know when to do a cleanup. So usually after the last stage where you do all the features, the specs, the screenshot and everything, you then go through the list once again to look for models which needs to do cleanup. So cleanups are like this. If you look at this model here, there's actually no product features, which is no specifications, and there's manual specs is empty. So what we usually need to have is at least a specs for a model, whether or not it's column I or column K, it doesn't matter. So in this case, since column K the manuals, either we can't copy it or there's no specs, then we have to do a search to fill up column I. So what you do is just copy, go to Chrome, paste here, and then after you paste, usually you don't have to put the brand. In this case, it's JBL, because usually the brand after if you don't put it, it will usually generate the right results lah. But if you are more accurate, you can put the brand. But sometimes what happens, it limits the search results. So in this case, we try without the brand first, and if there's no solutions, then we'll put the brand in. Now if you look here, there's actually a manual slip PDF file, which is actually the same as this one. So we have to find for alternate source. So sometimes when you scroll down, you have websites like Amazon, some random sites, this one. So how to know what to take? Basically what I do is I usually just open like a few. I'll put Amazon last, Amazon and eBay last if there's no other choice. Right, so if I open all these links, if you see here, okay, they have all these things. They have here as well. And this one, they have it like that. So usually what I'll do is I usually take the one that has the most description. In this case would be this one. So what we'll do is basically just copy. Again, we don't need dimension and weight, so you just go back here and then paste. So that's it actually, it's very simple, right? This is the other link which I opened. If you notice, there's actually not much details in it, so we can just ignore this. You want to take those with the most details. So yeah, that's usually a general cleanup. Now, also the most important thing is when you do a cleanup, you may not actually have a result, right? When you open, it could come up with a lot of lousy results. I don't have an example right now, but as long as you don't see specs like really well, especially those China products, then you don't bother scraping. So what you do then, if you can't find anything, you just highlight it in red. If you're not sure whether that website specs can be used, what you then do is you want to send us the link of the website for us to just double check to see whether it's okay or not. Sometimes the specs is just dimension and weight. If that's the case, then don't bother taking. Alright, so that's what a general cleanup is. Only highlight in red if you can't find any specs for that model. Otherwise, just leave it as usual and fill out the product feature column. Thank you.